In this section, we'll be taking a look at the steps to follow when accessing your organization for the first time. Once you've logged on, your first view will be the organizations which you administer. An organization refers to your business. The organization will be made up of sites, configuration groups, vehicles, and drivers. Click on the organization name to access the details. Here you can make organization-specific changes. You can make changes such as the UTC offset, preferred language, and measurement units. Once you've made your changes, click on Save. The second step of this process is to create a site. A site can either reflect an actual site or be a method of allocating vehicles of the same make and model to a group. The site provides the ability to simplify the administration of your fleet. Click on Add and then enter your site name. Specify the range of vehicle IDs which can be used for this site, and then specify the range of driver IDs which can be used for this site, and then click Save. You can create as many sites as required. The third step of the process is to create a configuration group. Vehicle configuration groups are templates designed to simplify the maintenance of vehicles. When a vehicle is added, property values from the specified vehicle configuration group is used as defaults for every new vehicle added to that specific vehicle configuration group. Click on Add and then enter the name. Check the box if to allow drivers access to new vehicles that are added, and then click Save. The fourth step of this process is to create your vehicle. The number is used to uniquely identify the vehicle to the system. Choose a number which may be in the range from -32,768 to 32,767, excluding -1, 0 and 1, which are reserved for system use. If you specify a value of 0, the system will allocate the next available number for the vehicle. Please note that once the vehicle has been created, this number may no longer be changed. Select an icon associated with the vehicle, the unit type, if required the unit identifier, the vehicle's description, registration number, vehicle configuration group, site. Once done, click Save. The fifth step is to create driver configuration groups. Driver configuration groups are templates designed to simplify the maintenance of drivers. When a driver is added, property values from the specified driver configuration group are used as defaults for the new driver. Click on Add and then enter the name. Check the box to allow drivers to new vehicles which are added to the system. Select the applicable option for the extended ID and then click Save. Step 6 of the process would be to create your drivers. Again, ID numbers are used to identify the driver to the system. You have the choice of choosing a number which is in the range from -32,768 to 32,767. If you specify a value of -1, the system will allocate the next available number to the driver. Here you can enter the driver's name, the driver's employee number, the driver configuration group, the site, and then we can click Save. And this brings us to the end of this section.